Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 3D objects, different views. When architects draw the plan of a house, for example, they do it on a flat sheet of paper. In order for the builder to be able to construct the house, the architect draws plans which show different views of the house. The most common views are the front, the rear, which is like the back, the sides, and the top, or the above view. And sometimes it's called the plan, P-L-A-N. That sometimes means that it's the top view. So here we have basic house, and there's the plan view, that is the top view. Okay, so here we have the front view of the house. This is the rear view. Here we have the left side, and here we have the right side. So basically it's the four sides of the house and also the top or the plan view. So when the architect sees that, he's quite confident that the builder is able to construct the house because he has all those views present. Simple 3D objects. Here's a very basic block in the shape of an L, and here we have the side view. If you look at that there, so if you look at that block from that direction there, that's what you see. If you look at it from this section here, you just see that L shape, which is that one. And if you look at it from the top, that is coming down, that's what you see. So there's an example of three different views of that simple block. Here's another simple block here, and here we've got the view from above. That's what it would look like. The view from this side on a flat sheet of paper, remember, that's what it would look like. And the view from this angle here, that's what it would look like on a flat sheet of paper. Here's an interesting 3D object. It's like a block of wood there with a cylinder on top. So there's our top view looking from the top down. Here's our front view looking that way, and this is the side view looking that way. Now here's another block. It's like an L again, placed on its side. So when we look at the top, that's what we see. When we look at the front, that is that way, in that direction there, that's what we see. And when we look at the side over there, that's what we see. And finally here we have this square pyramid here. Okay, so the top view of the square pyramid, if you look down, you basically see this square, and it's like a cross there. So they represent the four triangles coming up to the top. And the side view and the front view, they look the same because it's a square pyramid and the four sides are equal. So this video has introduced you to some basic 3D objects, and we've seen different views of those objects. The way that an architect would draw those views on a sheet of paper.